Hi, in this video, I will discuss about the advanced filter. Advanced filter in Excel provides a more sophisticated way to filter data based on complex criteria. If we have normal criteria, we can apply filter. But if we have complex criteria, we will have to use advanced filter. It allows user to extract specific information from a data set and copy it to different location within the same worksheet or another location. So this is the actual definition of advanced filter. You will have to go to Excel, click on data menu and click on advanced option to apply the advanced filter. In advanced filter, we have multiple options. So let's see how we can apply the advanced filter. First, I want to take here department, need to take here. This is the header. Now here I'm taking HR and HR data I need to place on this area. So you have to filter only those data which is related to HR. On the basis of this criteria, you have to filter data on this place. So same thing I did it in basic filter. But how we can utilize the advanced filter to filter the HR department's data? Let's see. So you need to select it. It's not mandatory to select, but if you are selecting, that's fine. You have to come to data menu, go to advanced options. So you have two options here. Filter in the list in place. It means you have to filter the data on same place. Copy to another location means you want to filter your data on another location from this data set. So now I will use this option. So here list range, I need to select this data set. So you have to select this data set. You have to put your pointer and press Ctrl Shift right arrow and down arrow to select the data. Enter. Now you need to take here criteria. So you have to click on this and whatever criteria I have written, including header, you have to select it. Enter. Now you have to click on OK. Now you can see here you are getting only those data which is related to HR department. Now here I want to remove the filter. So you have to click on this filter option. Now it's gone. Okay. Now I'll let you know how we can filter same data on another place. So you have to select this data first. Selected. Go to advanced option. Now you have to use this option. Go to list range. List range means you have to select entire data. I have selected this data. Enter. Now you have to take criteria range is this one. Enter. Now you have to, if you put your pointer here, if you are selecting this option, this copy to option is activated. Now you have to click on this option and put your pointer on any column where you want to filter your data. Now I have taken the L4. Now enter. Now click on OK. Now you can see here you are getting all the data here. Now what I have to do here, I just want to filter few columns data, not all columns data. So you need to take here header name. So here I'm taking name and here I'm taking department and here I'm taking total salary. Okay, these three columns and I'm taking ID at last. So rest of the column I don't want to take. So here I'm just removing it. Now you have to copy this and here you need to select and paste format. Enter. So now what you have to do, I have taken only those header which data you will need. So here I need name, department, total salary and ID of HR department data. So what you have to do, you need to go to advanced option. In data menu you have to go to advanced option, copy to another location. You have to select the list range. List range means data range is selected. Now I'm again selecting in front of you. Then you have to click on criteria range. Criteria range, you have to take this header with data. Enter. Now you have to take copy to. Copy to, you have to take complete header because I need this headers data. not all headers data. Click on OK. Now you can see here you are getting data as per given header. Suppose you want to filter two departments data. So how we can do it? So I want to take here sales data also. So here I'm typing sales. Now you have to come here and you have to go to advanced option, copy to another location, and here you need to select the entire data range. I have already selected. Now you have to select the criteria range including sales. So you have to take header as well as both the department. Enter. Then you have to go to copy to, and here you need to select it, then enter. See here you are getting data for both the departments. Now I want to filter here. I'm just taking one blank column here. Now, what you have to do, I need to filter the data on the basis of double column. So here I'm taking one more column, total salary, and paste here. And here I want to filter only those data in HR department which is more than 35,000. Okay. So here I have applied the criteria. Now I'm just removing it. Delete. Now what I have to do, here I need to select entire data, go to advanced, go to filter, copy to another location, list range selected. Now you have to go to criteria range you have to select it, then enter. Now you have to take header, which headers data you have to take. I'm taking this header, enter. Now I will get data for HR department and sales department, but in HR department I will get only those data which is more than 35,000 salary. Click on OK. Now you are getting data for sales and HR, but in HR department you are getting only those data which salary is more than 30,000. Now I'm taking one more options here. So here I'm taking HR department, Jessica is here. So here I copied this Jessica information and paste into here. So Jessica is duplicate now. Okay. So here I'm selecting this data and applying advanced filter, and copy to another location. You have to select list range. You have to select the data range. I have selected the data range, enter. Now you have to go to criteria range. I have selected the criteria range. I'm taking only these two departments. I'm not taking total salary more than 30,000. Now you have to click on this arrow, go to copy to, I have taken the header, enter. Now you have to utilize the, sorry, I'm clicking on OK. Now you can see here you are getting Jessica twice. Where is Jessica? This one and this one. So here I'm getting duplicate Jessica. So I don't want to take duplicate value. So you need to take here unique value. So how we can do it? So you need to take here complete data range, go to advanced option, go to copy to options, go to list range. You have to select the entire data, enter. Then you have to go to criteria range. Criteria range, you have to select it, then enter. Now you have to copy to, you have to select this one, enter. Now you have to click on unique record only. Now you will get only unique record for HR department. Jessica is not repeated twice. Now I'll let you know how we can pick only those data which department is a starting character is M. So here I want to pick only those data whose department is starting from M and salary more than 35,000. So here I'm taking 35,000, more than 35,000. Okay. Now here I want to take all the data from HR department. So how we can do it? So here I'm not taking HR departments as just total salary criteria. So what you have to do, you need to select it and go to advanced option, go to copy to another location, go to list range. List range, you have to select entire data. I have already selected, enter. Then you have to go to criteria option. So here I'm taking criteria, enter. Now you have to go to copy to, copy to options. I'm not getting, I'm taking header, enter. Now you have to click on OK. Now you are getting only those department which is starting character is M. So management and market. Why I'm not getting data from market? Because my salary is not more than 35,000 in market. That's why. So I'm just removing these options, and here I'm just removing this total salary, and here remove it. Sorry, not removing. I'm just taking same header. Now I will take only those data which is related to HR and which is related to first character should be M in any department. So you have to select entire data here, go to advanced, go to copy to list range. You have to select the list range, enter, go to criteria range you have to select it, enter, then you have to take copy to you have to select it, enter, then you have to click on OK. See here you are getting only those data which is related to HR and which is related to first character M. So M is in management department, market department. So that's all for this advanced filter. So thank you so much.